and I take my pleasure in welcoming Honorable Governor Sri Jishnudev Verma Garu to the Hanamakonda District Red Cross. We feel very proud, sir, because your first visit has started from the erstwhile Warangal. So that was what I requested you when we met a courtesy visit at the Rajbhavan, sir. And we are very happy for that invitation, sir. This Hanamakonda branch and dignitaries on the dais, our Transport Minister State, Sri Ponnam Prabhakar Garu, and our President of this Red Cross Hanamakonda branch, our Collector Garu, Pravinya Madam, and other dignitaries, Rajay Garu and Venkatram Reddy Garu. So this blood bank started in 1988, as we have shown there. And this building where we are sitting started in 2002 by that Governor Rangarajan. And this blood center was started with the help of then Collector Prabhakar Reddy and the Kuda. Both have sponsored this building, sir. And this conference hall with our funds before year we started, and it was inaugurated by previous Governor Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan. And to our credit, there are only 4 main activities, sir. If I have to read all those things, the time won't permit, sir. I will tell only 4 activities. The core activity is the blood center, sir, where we are collecting 9,000 to 10,000 units of blood per year, which is coming second only to the Hyderabad. And you know that when the population wise you see Hyderabad population and Warangal population, actually we should come first. But technically the Hyderabad is bagging first prize, sir. And we have got Thalassemia Transfusion Center. His Excellency Governor has just now inaugurated the extension plant. We are very thankful to you, sir, for coming out to inaugurate the novel project wherein 240 children regularly get transfusion, because you know that if we don't transfuse the blood, every 1 month one child will die. So even in COVID times we have seen that there is no shortage of blood. Even the Honorable President of India and Honorable Prime Minister has featured in their tweeting that the COVID time it is the Red Cross which saved the lives of the thalassemia children. So the one amongst is the Hanamakonda Red Cross blood bank, sir. And recently, just 2-3 years back, we have equipped the blood bank with the cooperation from the central government's PSU, that is Rural Electrical Corporation Fund, sir, about 1.5 crores have come to this one, so that we have upgraded, and with the help of initiative our state MC member E.V. Srinivas, he would able to get 1 crore 45 lakhs to upgrade this one, sir. And you know, sir, with that one, now we have got NABH accreditation, National Accreditation Board of Hospitals. One is blood center, and the Thalassemia Transfusion Center. The third is the generic pharmacy under the concept of Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi. We have started almost 5 years back, running successfully quality medicines at affordable prices. That is the concept, sir. And other important core activity, you know that the Red Cross is synonymous for the disaster management. Actually, the concept to start the Red Cross is only to treat the wounded soldiers in the war times. Gradually, we entered into the civilian society. For that one, any calamity, whether man-made or nature-made, then disaster management is the core activity, another core activity. Even in the COVID pandemic, we supplied 100 oxygen concentrators to the people, sir, free of cost at Warangal, sir, along with the pulse oximeters and other equipment. Even recent floods in the Hanamakonda, we have gone to the every nook and corner, supplied the tarpaulins, kitchen sets, and the food materials. Even our Honorable Governor last time came with our request, and we distributed about 3-4 colonies in the flood affected poor slum areas, sir. Even first aid training also is one of the core activities in the disaster belt. At any given point of time, we have got kitchen sets, we have got tarpaulins, we have got other utensils to supply, even pulse oximeters and oxygen concentrators are at our disposal. We have got a disaster management room already available. So apart from these things, the junior Red Cross and Youth Red Cross, we have already witnessed about 1,35,000 students are enrolled, and we again came in second prize in enrollment after Hyderabad, because you know that the population wise and the college students Hyderabad, but we came just 10,000 short of the Hyderabad Red Cross, sir. And another thing is orphanage home also we have just started recently with the help of the previous Red Cross chairman Papa Rao Garu. We started recently, sir. We are waiting for the permission from the state government, and we take the help of our state minister, Transport Panna Prabhakar Garu, and come and tell you, sir. And one more important project is District Disability Rehabilitation Center. The Honorable the Collector Garu has allotted the Red Cross to run the DDRC, which is prestigious practice, entirely centrally sponsored scheme, sir. Already the collector permitted, the state government already permitted, and we have submitted to the center for the grant in aid. We are waiting for the, once we receive that one, we will be starting the DDRC. So all the disabled people will get treatment and till their rehabilitation. That is the concept of the DDRC, which I think probably the next few months we will start, sir. So all these are there, sir. And one old age home at Elkaturti village, recently the collector madam has given 1 acre of land there. So we will start with the help of our minister is also there. Is praise that one. Definitely we will start by the old age home that just there. So we thank on behalf of the Red Cross. These are some of the, there are many more activities, sir. I have concised because of the constraint of time, and we are very fortunate to have you, sir, amongst all the Red Crosses. The vibrant branch is the Hanukonda branch, sir. With these activities and we are always at the service of the district authorities. Any problem or anything, we are at the. Thank you very much, sir, once again for accepting our invitation and gracing and inaugurating our Thalassemia Extension Block, sir. And now I request our Honorable Verma Garu to address and give the message. Thank you, sir.
And other dignitaries, and of course our Red Cross officials and our district collector here also. It's an honor actually to open this Thalassemia Center, first floor, and I am very thankful to God that for my first inauguration in Telangana is a Thalassemia Center. A matter of saving lives. The grace of God that some people are given this opportunity to open, start the journey with this inauguration. So I would request the minister to help Red Cross. They do wonderful work here. I'm very impressed. They came to meet me last month. At that time only I was very impressed that an organization of this type would do so much of work. And in disaster time, in time of peace, they are opening, orphanages, old age homes. Multifaceted activities that is taking place in the Red Cross, and as the president of Red Cross, I am honored to be associated with this organization of world repute. Where there is war, you will always find the Red Cross there. In peacetime, in wartime, in natural calamities, in man-made calamities, in sickness, in health. So it's a friend. It's a friend. It's always a friend, all-time friend to humanity. With this organization that I am leading, I am the president of the Telangana Unit Trust itself, an honor to me. Thank you so much. We will meet again and you will see how we can work together further and take this work further. Thank you very much.
I request